So today I'm gonna be trying to survive like the new update in Animal Hospital. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get straight into this video. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be playing Animal Hospital. I already told you that, but let's get this video. Okay, so I'm gonna check this guy in. I'm gonna check all the people in, and then I'm gonna do it. I love you, Maya. I love you too. Look at my face. Can I be your twin? Maya, can I be your twin? Maya, can I be your twin? Okay, let's see. Okay, we gotta get this guy. Don't worry about the back door, guys. I'm gonna go somewhere else. That's quiet. Okay, I'm quiet, but there's still a little background noise. It's okay though, but I'm in my quiet space. But anyway, so I am about to be trying to survive it and see the new characters and see the new slime event and stuff. So let's for real get into it. Okay. So my strategy is to check all the patients in first, and then I'm going to take care of them and stuff. Okay, so he's gonna need herbs because the first patient always needs herbs. If y'all didn't know that, now y'all know. And the second patient always needs some eye drops. So, like, y'all get herbs and eye drops first. So, let me treat this patient. Yo, if I die, I'm going to end the video because I ain't got no rubber. I'm like a joke. Okay, so the doctor is arriving. Dr. Harler. Let's see. Oh, the coffee's ready. Let's see. Oh yeah, and for one of the cracks, Dr. Harlow is gonna need like a green tea or something. But yeah, he's doing that. Blah 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 blah. Just talking. He's gonna open up the shutters and the camera. So yeah, we gotta get to shift two. Okay. Like, it's literally always this headbanger. Like, it's always you. It's always something. It's always something. Oh, y'all, and all y'all gotta do is give the headbanger some coffee. So, I just gave him the coffee. No losing sanity. He just said coffee. And I'm gonna check this patient and first I gotta make sure it's not an anomaly because yeah, I don't know. Okay. If I don't talk, that means I'm cooking. Why you built like that? Why you look like that? You like you just got caught in a lie. Raphael! Hi, Raphael. Okay, Raphael is one of my favorite characters in Animal Hospital. Even though he's an anomaly, he's still my favorite character. I hear things, I see things, yeah, all that blah blah. It's a dangerous job. Okay. Okay. So room 3. I'm gonna check these security cameras. Y'all, I always be checking security cameras just to make sure I don't let them know me because we're trying to complete this quest. And it's only one person here. Like, literally one person. Okay, he looks good on the camera. I'm gonna check this. Okay. Okay, now 4. Bro, I'm tired. Today's been a busy day. We had to clean up the whole house. Okay, I think that was all the places that we had to do. And we don't have the fire extinguisher yet. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. So he needs a medicine bottle. Okay, that patient is done. Let's go to room 3 and 4. Room 3 and 4. Okay. Let me try to do this one. Yo, I'm doing 2 at a time so I can be faster. Okay, he needs bandages and maple syrup. Okay, medkit. Let's get you a medkit. Okay, let's get his bandage. And he needs medicine. Yeah. Medicine. Okay. Now let's get you some medicine and then the doctor is gonna arrive. Okay, now the shop is gonna be open. Y'all gonna see me, okay? Just wait. Just wait. Let's wait till this doctor comes. Thank you, doctor. I'm opening new facilities for you. This is a supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. See, y'all, look at me. I'm a baddie. Yeah. We have new supplies. No, they're Sherlock. Okay. Now let's. Where's the doctor? Oh yeah, he's going in that no access. What's in there? Exactly. Okay, now let's look in here. What the freak? No. Get out of my hospital. Get out. Get out. Don't bang on my stuff either. You're gonna get smacked.
Oh, too.
Nothing. Get out. Okay. I'm playing a game. Huh? Okay. Anyway, so the coffee is ready. Oh, I must have 100. Save that coffee. Okay, let's inspect that. Okay. Here's good. Wait, did I check the cameras already? Okay. Okay, bye. Going for. Oh my gosh. Hey, there's a Starbucks right across the street. Go to that. Like, why you gotta take my coffee? I don't even know you and you calling me your friend. Like, here, take the coffee. Take the coffee with your fake mustache. Bye-bye. 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 Okay. Now, let's see. I can't buy anything yet because I'm trying to get the extra bell. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is it cool? Okay, yes, we can see you're on fire. Okay, now let me get that. Don't worry about that. Okay, there you go. Now let's check the cameras. Okay, he looks good. Okay, I'm ready. I'm here for my appointment. Okay, there you go, Ren Bears. Wait. Oh my gosh, how many patients? Okay, look at the cameras. We got. Let me check you, my homie. Okay, there you go now. Bye. I wanna go to the pool.
Get in the pool right now.
What the doctor just said?
And you definitely can't get in the pool.
Don't worry about that. Anyway. Bruh, you're in and out. I'm serving you. Talking about what's taking so long. You know what's taking so long. Like, I'm not gonna serve it. I know. Okay, anyway. I want to check you as a patient. Okay, let me take you a photo. Okay, this is the last patient I got checked in. Again, let's see how much patient I got to do. What noise is that? Okay, I gotta treat 5 patients. What was that? Didn't even see that. Like, I'm not even sure. I know y'all saw that, but okay. Okay, let's see. What do you need, sir? Or ma'am? Bandage, maple, thermal, bandage, and a maple. Sir, do you want call? Okay. Okay, what do you need? Okay, now let's go to the emergency hallway. I'm just closed. Okay, now let's go to the emergency hallway. I'm doing so, oh my gosh. I don't have the time to give you eye drops. Like, chill. Okay, let me see your heartbeat, 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 heartbeat. Let me look. Okay. Oh. Okay, he needs IV drops. Come on, give me IV drops. Give me IV drops. I'm too lazy. Oh my gosh. You can't give me IV drops, like. It's not that hard, bro. Okay, now it's time to go to room 8, the surgery. Alright, come on. Let's do this surgery. We all know you need IV drops. IV. Scalpel. Medikit. There we go. Scissors. There we go. Bandage. Scalpel. Medicine. Try not to kill this patient, okay? Okay, the doctor is arriving. Dr. Harlow is kind of suspicious. Some patients may seem unstable. Like you? Okay, anyway. Make sure to use the photo and the camera. Stay alert. Okay. Now get out. I will unlock the taser. Use it wisely. Ooh, I can tase you. Okay. Let's see how much money do I get. Yes, I got enough to do an extra window. I don't need the coffee. Oh, hi, Baptiste. Hi, Baptiste. You are a good guy. My name is Rafiki, by the way. Oh, I already knew that. My advice? Don't trust anyone here. So I can't even trust you? Like... Okay, anyway. Go. Jealous of my mansion. Okay, he looks good on the cameras. Let me see a walk. Let me see Willy Wonka on the camera. Okay, he looks good on the camera. Hurry up! Okay, your photo looks good. And I'm gonna give you your badges. Now, bye and bye. better go somewhere. He better go. Oh, he ugly. I'm not scared of you. I'll just tase you. Wait. First, let's not waste the taser. Get out. Bro, just exactly why. Like, why do you have to come in here with me? There ain't nothing up in here. Okay, you're not an anomaly, so I gotta tase this guy. Okay. Yeah, you better run. You better run. You better do what you can. Okay. Oh, don't come banging on my window now. Oh, and I'm not serving you. What do you mean? Oh, you fainted. Like, why did you faint? Meow. There. Okay, let's open this up. You ugly monkey. Okay. Who you come to visit? Like, bro, what? Like, are you good?
What you doing, man?
Get out!
What you doing, bro?
Is they still here?
Yeah. They look good all over here.
They are gone somewhere. Okay, anyway.
I mean, if you took... I ain't gonna do that to you. What happened? Why you go to the hospital?
I can't tell you that. Out! Bro, get out!
As long as you're okay. You still my little cousin, I guess I gotta care about you. Noor, I don't...
Bro.
Over your head. He's gonna drop on you.
Noor. You need to go. Hello, Frank. Can I get another coffee? No.
Bro, put that toothbrush back.
That is not even yours. What do you want from me? Yours.
That's how you look whenever you sleep. Your arms is short and stubby.
It feels heavy.
Hey, what's that?
Close the door. It's cold. Okay.
Oh, come on. You gotta get these off the floor. Push the bags.
Put them back on their door or something.
Ryan.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Hold on. Didn't I ask you not to go back there?
Get your brother. Aubrey, get your brother.
Mark, get out! Don't worry about that. He can get out.
I'll go put these bags up.
Bro, what? Stop it now.
Wait. No, because they're talking to your mama just like nobody can do anything stopping you.
No.
Pulling back down, put them back
She just what? Get out.
No.
Okay, anyway.
Listen. You know, don't start putting all this stuff down. Take the stuff up off this floor. Aubrey, you're gonna have to come in here because you know wherever you go, that's where he's gonna go. You already know that, so if you're gonna stay in here in this closet with me, that's fine, which be good. He can stay in here, get down, Noah. He can stay in here while they're talking to your mother. Get out there. Sit down. Don't climb up there, you just sit down, right? I'm finna put the TV on so you can watch something.
No, the floor is loud. I'm watching. Nanny. I'm gonna watch iPad.
So on the floor, and no gonna take it from you. You already know this. I'm just leave it alone.
Barney, you just got. You literally just got why he's here again?
That's what I'm telling you. When folks is trying to handle business, y'all need to act accordingly. No, just get that stuff up off the floor and just sit down there. And you know he's gonna be back here on you, so it's gonna be okay until we're done. You can't go nowhere else. There's nowhere else for you to go but here and in this room.
I'm gonna go right here.
Get down.
Cold. Okay, anyway. Take the coffee. Right.
Get your dinosaurs. Get your dinosaurs and play with
Mom, what medicine you told her about that they needed to see a picture of?
Okay.
Did you say you got a picture?
Ugly. Let it go.
What the one they just want you to picture the one you got with you?
Now let me go treat this patient.
my thing down here.
Huh? Is that it?
With my medicine down here. No, that's not it.
You gonna bring it?
Do they need all my medicine that I take?
Dry eyes, bleeding, bruises, so you need a thing. What do you mean glaze me, bro?
I'm gonna go use the bathroom.
Okay.
You're right. Get down there before you fall, baby.
I'm gonna do you. Okay, you need a maple and coffee. Okay. Yo, I haven't killed no patient so far, so I'm going good. Eye thermal ointment.
I'm not a thief. I'm not at all.
You know how to unlock doors and make the knobs and everything?
Okay. 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 Nobody up in here. Anyway. He's recovering. What are we doing?
Naraya.
Ma'am,
Oh, okay.
you were taking on this down.
Get him down then. That scared me so bad. Okay, anyway, what's next? I'm gonna do room 7 again. Oh, what's up right here? What? No. 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 Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna get some eye drops. Oh my gosh. A mimic is eating a patient. Leave the patient alone. Leave it alone. What the freak? Where did the patient go? He finna just die. I'm not even joking. Ooh. Good night. Bye-bye. Okay, anyway. If that mimic come anywhere near me, it's gonna be a problem. And how is he even in an anomaly? Like, be so for real. Okay, I'm going to some Ivy drops, so. Okay, what do you want? Scissors. Ivy, medkit, and medkit. Okay. The doctors are right there. Oh. There has been a huge anomaly attack. 6 people died and many more were hurt. Be prepared.
Go in the closet.
No.
You did that.
Oh, what?
You're the one who stepped on it.
Uh-oh. You getting a whooping, Nora.
No! Ooh, Nora, get in the web.
Bro, why is he running?
No!
Okay, he's good. He's not good. He's not good. You're not good. Get out. Get out, you dirty monkey. I don't care. Faint all you want. Just faint all you want. Okay. First, I gotta go ahead. Stop, Mariah. Okay, a visitor faints it. Poop. Get all that. Stalker.
Gloria, stop.
Lisa, I messed up the closet.
Huh?
The war and Rob messed up the closet.
Oh, I didn't mess up.
Sit down. No, what did you do, man? Come on, let's go get some meat. Come on.
Not a snack.
Yes, that's the table.
That's alright.
Wait. This one wasn't that bad. Maybe because I'm just alone.
So they're gonna come back here. Yeah, they're gonna come back here. They're gonna walk through the house.
Okay. Let me clean this. Fix this camera. Holy yeah! Not on my watch, little boy. Like for real though, pipe down. Before you really die, like. Okay. Maple herbs. If he okay, I thought he was gonna say I'm hungry. I was gonna scream. What?
But they finna come back here and take a picture and stuff back here. Hey,
Nor did it.
take that back up right quick, please. Here it is, please.
Okay, y'all. Don't. Stop me. I'm done.
Y'all picked up, y'all didn't just throw it back up there. Y'all told them blankets back up.
Yes.
They just tell me because they taking pictures.
God,
Go straighten his bed back up. Did you hear me?
huh?
Straighten his bed back up because you're going to have to look at it when they come. They can't take the picture with you.
Hungry.